warning. In this video, it is not a how-to, it's just what I've done. You can use this video as a reference to see where things go, but this is not in order of operations because I definitely skip steps and don't do things correctly. I'm definitely not certified to work on my car, but I love doing it and learning from it, so we shall keep doing it. But yeah, this is not a how-to. Don't follow me. You can use me as a reference to see and compare, but at the same time, don't do what I do, okay? Don't do what I do. We outside. What we doing today? We are working on my car. And we are going to replace this part right here. And that right there is this part right here, now that there's light. That is the EGR valve. So we're gonna take that hoe off and put this new one on. Now it is getting darker, so I'm gonna find a light source. So with having nails, we're gonna put a glove on. One of my lovely friends handed me down their mechanic gloves. First course of action, I'm going to disconnect the battery. It's not really required, but honestly I feel like anytime I do engine work on my car, I want to take out the battery just in case, you know? So I have this tiny wrench and I'm just disconnecting the ground right now. And that's going to be the negative on the battery. So this took some elbow grease, but we got it off. My shit hella corroded, so I'm gonna clean this after I'm done. So for this, I have this bolt and this bolt to take off. These are vacuum lines I need to disconnect and the sensor. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm taking my new piece and I'm going to just put it next to where my other one is right now so I can see how it goes in. And just to make it easier for myself. So this is the piece. This is my new one. I see that I have to rotate it like this way, and then there's where my bolts will be going in. This is where that sensor will go and the lines. So look how brand new it's gonna be. So what you'll need, ye oh faithful 10 mil, woo, and that's gonna go right up in here, right up in there, and right up in here. I'm gonna try to wiggle this in. I guess the best way I could do this is like that, but it's gonna take forever because there is this metal piece that I can't really rotate the ratchet. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out, but let's work on this one first. So I have found an extender, but it doesn't fit this peg. So this extender plus this adapter, which is a bigger square hole, and then it'll fit this smaller one. I think that's what's gonna happen. So, oh, but I need to, wait, hold on. I needed to get a different wrench because the extension fits this bigger size. Oh. Then this adapter on this end. Boop. Now we have that small one. We can put this on here. Oh my god, this small one doesn't lock in. So I put the freaking the 10 mil onto the bolt with my hand. then I stuck the wrench in. So we're gonna see if this works. And I gotta make sure it's turned the right way. So lefty loosey. I'm doing this one-handed. Off! I did it. Yay, guys. Progress. Both bolts are out. Now we unclip this, and then we take this out. Okay, so one step I gotta do is there is a nut holding a bigger piece of the EGR valve. So this is the EGR valve right here. So what's holding the valve is this nut, and we need to loosen it. Voila. Look, it looks so clean next to everything.